Good day, my name is Dele Ayimi, but I'm your export doctor. Welcome to the export hack for snail, live snail. You know, this happened to be a product among the products I've exported before. I remember when I used to do snail, I would ship on Monday, it arrived on Tuesday on BA, night flight, cleared on Wednesday, delivered on Thursday, paid on Friday. It sounds like Solomon Grandi, right? So now, this particular product is a unique one. It involves live snail. Snail, particularly land snail, have emerged as a niche but growing agricultural export commodity. However, navigating the world of snails' quality specification for export can be complex. You need to first of all understand that there are different kinds of snail. There is the Helix aspera brown garden snail. There is the Helix pomatia Roman snail. And there is the Acanthina fulicea, and that is called the giant African snail. My focus in this conversation is giant African snail, primarily exported from West Africa, prized for its large size, fast breeding rate, but it faced import restriction in some regions due to invasive potential. Specification typically involve the shell, the size rather. I remember then when we are exporting, it has to be at least 300 grams. Weight, 300 grams. That means 3 of that snail, if you put it on the weighing scale, should be about 1 kg. If you have that kind of snail, that is it. That is the snail. That is the snail you want to export. That is what many people are looking for. They're also interested in the shell condition to ensure that the shell is in order. Now, let me move on to the potential. Where is the demand for snail from mollusk? The total market size, first of all, I'm always interested in what the demand is. Total market size is small. It's about $76 million. And interestingly, the major buyer of snail are in Europe, from France, which buy 25%, to Spain, which buy 14%, to Italy, which buy 8.97%, to Lithuania, which buy about 5%, to Romania, about 5.4%. Even China buy about 3%. But the major market, France, Spain, and Italy. When I was exporting it that time, I export more to the UK. But I can see that the UK demand is very, very small. The UK demand is very, very small. How about the packaging? This kind of product, because of the nature of this kind of product, it is exported live. Some countries want it dead, but UK wants it live. I think along the line, they are interested in also knowing that the food product is fit for human consumption and edible. And that's why they want to ensure the snail is still alive when they arrive, that is moving. Dead snail, they don't know what killed it. They're interested in the one that is still alive that they killed themselves. Container selection in packaging. Use a well-ventilated container to ensure proper airflow. Bedding material. Line the container with suitable bedding materials like vegetables. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent buildup of carbon dioxide and to maintain optimal condition for the snail. It's also important to control the temperature. Depending on the species, maintain appropriate temperature. And by the way, when I was exporting snail, I put it in crate. And those crates, I put it in wooden crate. But those wooden crates are certified by IATA. You can't just use any kind of crate. In fact, the person that construct the crate, which is typically constructed at the airport, ensure the wood they are using, because the wood can actually carry pests to the destination. And they're trying to avoid pests to the destination. Let me check. I'm talking about the documentation. Apart from the bill of lading, the invoice, the packing list, another interesting document for this product is the phytosanitary, is to certify that the snails are free from pests and diseases. Health certificate, issued by NAFDAC. Health certificate to show the agri product, that the not agri product, that the snail is fit for human consumption. In my opinion, the health certificate and phytosanitary pretty much are doing the same thing. Of course, you need commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading like we have, and you need your NXP to be able to do the pre-export documentation. But before I close, let me talk about the pitfalls. I'm only saying the pitfall because mistakes people make. Mortality is guaranteed. Factor that in. Live snail may experience stress and mortality during transport. Ensure proper ventilation, temperature control. Use suitable packaging material with adequate airflow. Minimize handling stress during loading and unloading. Dehydration. Live snail may dehydrate during transit. Provide moist bedding materials in the packaging to maintain human humidity level. Avoid prolonged period without access to water. There's something I also observed. When you're exporting snail, you need to put vegetables in the crate, wooden crate. Why? If you don't put it, you will be seen as starving the snail. That's the way you'll be seen. Starving the snail. Why? Animal rights people might even arrest the buyer for starving the snail, for bringing in snail without making adequate arrangement for food. That's why sometimes, if you are shipping, I remember then, there are people that export vegetable in the port. We buy the vegetable from them and put it. We buy the vegetable from them and put it. So that the animal rights people at destination do not arrest the person that is buying from you. Now, to learn more about snail, get the full package of the export hack for live snail. It's a 1-hour session in which we discuss what you have heard now and many more regarding live snail. If you are looking to get the export hack for live snail, drop a comment in the comment section, chat me on the comment, and you will get a response on how to get the export hack and learn in detail what it takes for you to be able to export live snail. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have friends that want to export live snail, share with your friend. You want to know when I upload a new video, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. My name is Dilayimi, but I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.